Welcome back. In this short video, we're going to be looking at seam manipulation and cross joins. The room on the screen, the yellow room, is obviously been estimated. We have a drop and a fill. In this instance, the product's been added to the product database, and there are no allowances for cross joins. It may be a situation where the customer, obviously, we want to optimize the price for the customer, so we may need to add some cross joins to the job. To do this, simply select the drop down arrow, select the seam option, and select add even T-seams. Next, drag the finger upwards in an upwards direction in the fill piece. We're then presented with the cross join information window where we can increase or decrease the amount of cross joins. In this instance, select done. It's going to add a third split to that particular room. So we'll select done, and we've optimized the carpet for that particular room. If we don't want cross joins in a room, simply tap and drag the cross join out of the room, and it will be re-estimated in the cut panel. To select another room and another product, tap on a room, and we can see the layout or cuts for that particular carpet. As we've seen with the other, we can actually manipulate the location of a seam simply by tapping on it and sliding it to the position required. Every time we do that, it's going to update in the cut sheet. Again, we can drag it back. Obviously, in this case, we want to optimize the installation, so we can use the pinch method to zoom in, and we're going to select the seam function and add a T-seam. Simply select the area where you want to add the T-seam, and next manipulate its location. Again, we have an optimized layout for the carpet. Of course, we can remove the cross join simply by dragging it out of the area, and we can skirt or manipulate where the seam is and change the installation or the number of cuts. There may be an instance where we need to rotate the direction of an individual room. To do this, simply tap the room, tap the eye, select the layout direction, and drag the finger in the direction of installation. Obviously, this will rotate the installation direction of that particular room. Again, if we wish to add a T-seam, simply select the seam, select the option, add a T-seam or add an even T-seam, drag the finger in the room,